Dishman Carbogen Amcis, a leader in contract manufacturing, enriches health solutions with its customizable range of soft gel formulations. Offering unparalleled flexibility, we enable manufacturers to develop the perfect solution, from vitamin D supplementation to wellness and therapeutic options. Soft gels, highly valued for their user convenience, ensure precise dosage control and optimal bioavailability. Their hermetic seal significantly enhances product stability and effectiveness, safeguarding the integrity of active ingredients. Our cutting-edge commercial facility has 2 dedicated medicament, gelatin, and encapsulation lines. Together with our separate pilot facility, this allows us to manage diverse formulation requirements, maintaining quality across all order sizes. We deliver precision in soft gel encapsulation with real-time FTIR gas analysis for absolute purity and trace impurity detection. Our strict, validated quality controls ensure each soft gel capsule meets exacting standards, upholding product quality and efficacy. Dishman Carbogen Amcis delivers from concept to completion, offering our expertise as your manufacturing partner. Together, we can create health solutions that stand out for their quality and efficacy. Discover how Dishman Carbogen Amcis can elevate your product line. Connect with us today to start our collaboration.